Good morning to you all. How are you? I hope by the grace of God you are doing well. You are welcome to numeracy class. That's mathematics. If you are this is the first time of joining this numeracy class, and I'm Sedola. I'm going to take you through the mathematics aspects. Then the other teachers will take you through other subjects. So we started with number. And so today we are going to look at skip count forward and backwards. So we started with skip count forward by twos. And I told you that if you hear the word forward in mathematics, it means addition. Then we given a rule. That rule is either you are going to go forward twice, 5 times, 10 times. But today we are limiting ourselves to skip count forward by twos. We started from 1 up to 100, but today we are going to start from 2 up to 1000. So that's what we are going to look at today. Now, by the end of this strand, you should be able to skip count forward by twos from 200 to 250, and also you should be able to skip count forward by twos from 250 to 300, and also you should be able to skip count forward by twos from 300 to 1000. That's 1000. So that's what we are going to work on today. It's not difficult. It's very interesting. So you have to sit up right and be attentive as you enjoy the lesson. Now, let's start. You have to skip count forward by twos from 200 to 250. And I told you that to skip count forward means to add. To add by what? They said forward by twos. So maybe 2, you have to have 2 in mind. You jump 2 times. So to skip count forward means to add. To add, that's add 2 to get the next number. For you to get the next number, you have to add 2 to the previous number for you to get the next number. So let's go through these examples. You have the first number to be 200. So add 2 to it to get 202. Add 2 to it to get 204. Add 2 to it to get 206. Add 2 to it to get 208. Add 2 to it, 210. You add 2 to it, 212. Add 2 to it to get 214, 216, 218, 220. So 20 plus 2 is what? It's not 22. So 220 plus 2 is 222. Then plus 2, 224. Plus 2, 226. Plus 2, 228. Plus 2, 230. Plus 2, 232. Plus 2, 234. Plus 2, 236. Plus 2, 238. Plus 2, 240. 40 plus 2 is what? You are having 40 oranges, and you have added 2 to it. Is it not 42? So 240 plus 2 give you 242. Plus 2, 244. Plus 2, 246. Plus 2, 248. Plus 2, 250. So we started the journey from 200 and keep on going forward, adding up what number? 2 to the current number that we are having, 200 plus 2, and we have ended at 250. This now is very interesting. And yet in only 2 air count. So if you're having 2 bottle tops, you add 2 to it. But since you are in class 2, you are moving up to higher numbers. In class 1, you were playing with from 2 up to 100, but here we are going into what? 1000. Between 100 and 1000. So be coming across or having numbers like 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So it's not difficult. I hope you are following it. Now, we are using this as a case study. We are using this to refresh our mind on the skip count. It's not an exercise. So all follow, then you do this one together as an example. So the heading is skip count forward by 2's. Always be given the rule. Skip count backwards. You have in mind that you have to subtract. But here it says that skip count forward by 2's. And I told earlier that if you hear the word forward, it means you are adding up. By what? By 2's. So you have two important information. Adding up by 2. So it says fill in the missing numbers. So the first number is 220. 220 plus 2. You have 222. So the next number, it will be 224. The next number, 226. The next number, 228. Then the next number will be 330. 330 plus 2. 332 plus 2. 334 plus 2. 336 plus 2. 338 plus 2. 340. 340, that's 40 plus 2. It's not 42, so 338 plus 2 will give us 340. 340 plus 2 give us 342. Obviously, it's easy. Now, we are in the section of 500 column, as I told you. So, 502 plus 2 get 504 plus 2, 506. So 6 plus 2 is not 8, so it's 506 plus 2, 508. 510, 512, 414, 516, 518, then 520. Then you have in the 400 column, 414 plus 4, 416. 418 plus 2, 420. 420 plus 2, 422. 422 plus 2, 424. 424 plus 2, 426. 426 plus 2, 428. 428 plus 2, 430. 430 plus 2, that's 432. Are we saying this? How is going correct? I hope you are following it. Now 162, we are in a 100 column. 162. Let's forget about the 100 and focus on the 62. 62 plus 2 is not 64. Yes. So 162 plus 2 is 164 plus 2, 166 plus 2, 168 plus 2, 170 plus 2, 172 plus 2, 174 plus 2, 176 plus 2, 178 plus 2, 180. So you keep on adding 2, 2, 2, because it's having said that forward counts by 2. So let's go to another arena, 600. 600 plus 2. If you look at the first digit here, is 0 under the ones. Under the hundreds, the tens column is 0. Hundreds column is 6. So under the ones is 0. So 0 plus 2 is not 2. So 602. 604. 606 plus 2, 608. 608 plus 2 is 610. 10 plus 2 is not 12. So 610 plus 2 is 612. 12 plus 2 is not 14. So 612 plus 2 is 614 plus 2, 616. So 610. Let's come back. 610 plus 2, 612. 612 plus 2, 614 plus 2, 16 plus 2, 18 plus 2, 620. in that order. So it's very simple. Just have to do what? Keep on adding 2, 2, 2, 2 to it. So end the lesson here and we continue next week. Next week you go to forward count by 5. So you have to learn your what? Either 5 times or counting objects in what? In 5. You have 5 objects, add 5 to it. The next number you put it down. Add 5 to it. The next number you put it down. Within 100 up to 1,000. Thank you for being attentive. Bye bye.